welcome to Omateq Digitals YouTube official channel. Now in this channel we make videos to teach you everything you need to know about web development, web designing, and even if you are a beginner and you don't know anything about web design, then in this channel, after watching videos on this channel, you should be able to design a full website just like the one you are seeing on this screen. Now we make videos every week, so meaning every week you are entitled to watch videos of your choice on this channel. So even if you don't know how to design a website, you are a beginner, you should be able to structure a website that you are seeing on this screen, something like this, or even something more than this. Now I want you to turn on the notification bell and hit the subscribe button in case you are new to our channel, so that whenever we upload videos on this channel you won't miss out, because we upload videos that will blow your mind.